Hey guys, welcome to Sam610. So in this video, I want to show you guys how much I would make on YouTube if I was monetized. So guys, stay tuned. You guys will notice I joined YouTube April 23rd, 2009, but it's not until the last 3 to 4 years have I been posting consistently on my channel. And with that being said, I have 77,023 views in total on my channel as of October 29th, 2021. So if you guys want to know what I would make if I was monetized on YouTube, or any YouTuber, in fact, you can just go to this website called socialblade.com. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and look up my YouTube channel, Sam610, and we click the search button. And when that comes up, you just pick my channel. And as you guys can see, my grade is a C+. It was a lot lower than that a long time ago. You can see here I have 215 uploads, 1.17K subscribers, 77,000 views. And my channel was created April 24th, 2009. And you guys can see my rank here. I'm way up there in the ranks, guys. Hopefully one day I go down. So as you guys can see here, my estimated monthly earnings is anywhere between 56 cents to $9 per month. And as you guys can see, I'm not going to be able to retire on YouTube. My estimated yearly earning goes from $7 to $108. Now, I did something like this a long time ago, and there's not much of a difference from when I did it a while ago to when I'm doing it now. So $108, it is what it is, guys. So if you scroll down a little bit further, you guys will notice the total views of each video, and this keeps a tally, and it goes up as to what your total channel views are. And here you can get the estimated earnings per video. It just kind of gives you an estimate. You guys can see here I had a breakout day of 109 views, and you guys can see here I went to 86 views, 70 views, 67 views, and as of today, it looks like it's showing I have 97 views, which is pretty good. So hopefully you guys get the point that at 77,000 views, I'm going to only make a little bit over $100. And I think when I made this video a long time ago, there really wasn't that much of a difference between then and now, guys. So it is what it is. I'm not going to retire as a YouTuber. I'm not going to start making millions of dollars. And that's why I made this video, just to show you guys that the struggle is real and that you're not going to start making money overnight unless you're really good at what you do. And I'm a small YouTuber. Even as a small YouTuber, again, the struggle is real, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to show you guys my channel and open it up a little bit to show you guys how much I would actually make if I was monetized. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.